In this video, I'm going to show you how you can basically export your project as a APK, so what we can upload in Google Play Store. So first, make sure in your project you have TDS Hero plugin. This is free in Epic Marketplaces. Then you need to go to your Android section. At here, you need to set the targeted SDK 34 level, and the the minimum is 26. And make sure your calm down package name data, it should be something like this. Many of you did lots of mistake on here, so keep it in mind. Then set it the install location as a auto. Some of cases you can even choose as a internal. Then as a APK, if APK with OBB or not, so you need to click untick it. Then make sure the generate ABB files is important, because Google Play doesn't support more APK. You need to upload ABB file. That is the thing. And you can remove the crash files and debugging simple stuff if you want. Then at the last, you need to also check at this point that Oculus Quest debugging files and APKs, you don't need that, right? Then for the add move, if you want, you can turn on, and I'm going to disable it for my case, because Unreal Engine 5.2 add move is not so much perfect. We still need to do lots of work, so that's why. Now we need to set up icons for our game. You find the icon size by holding some time on the icon stuff, on the bill of the icon, so you'll be probably get the notification about how much size you need. So let me create some icon for my game. Also, I'm going to ready some icons and image for the Google Play Store as well. So in the future video, it's going to help us, because we must need to set up. So as a Google Play Store policy, we need to upload a 512 pixel, then a 1024 by 500, and for our game it's 96, 78, 72, 48 and 36. Okay, this is the standard size of for Unreal Engine to give this as a APK. So I'm storing every icons in my specific folder, and for iOS also I'm going to also create some icons because it's needed. So let me also take some more icons and resize it for the iOS as well, because it's important. Okay, so you can basically do some stuff randomly work. Also, we need a couple of screenshot for our game, so you can take some screenshot for that, like, okay, this will be my screenshot. So before going to work on the Google Play Store side or in the App Store side, you should first ready the icon. Also, I faced lots of problem when I was exporting for the iOS as well and uploading, because I was in lots of specific pixel image resolution and the size. So you have to keep in mind, they ask you for iPhone 6.5 inch display, 6.6 and 6.7 or 8 display. Also they ask you to must need to give the iPad screen size screenshot as well, iPad 1 and iPad 2, I guess I saw there. So you have to keep in mind, back up some image for in the future use, that if there's any problem coming you should give. And now at the packaging sector, you need to give it as a shipping and enable the billing and distribution file generate, and you can disable pre-installer file untick because it's not important. Okay, and for the targeted platform, you can disable any other platform which only you need. So I'm going to only enable for Android, iOS, tvOS, Mac, and if you want you can also enable for Windows. It depends on you. So it's going to be help you to don't include any unnecessary files, that is which we mainly need, and make sure your game mode is perfectly set up. Now you can try to give a export. Okay, make sure it's in the shipping mode, but before do that last thing, what we need to do is we need to enable Google Gamepad stuff. So you can go to the Google Gamepad sector. So before, if you don't see that, you can go to plugin sector and search that Google Gamepad, or even you can search Google, and there you've probably found called Google Pad. So it's going to be help you to upload larger file. For example, if your game more than 150 MB, then it's going to be help you to give you publish permission of 1.25 2 GB file upload. So make sure it's enable the plugin. Now you can give a export, so you'll be find probably a APK and a OBB file separate. So that's what we need, because in Google Play Store we only now need to upload the ABB files, not the OBB files. So that's why you are separating. But when we are doing that, automatically instead of that ABB file, it's containing the OBB file. So now it's kind of like a more more less work for the developers, that they don't need to again upload the OBB files again for in the Google Play Store. That is the main thing. So I just hope you understand that how you need to set up and export your game from Google Play for Unreal Engine. And now the second part, I'm going to show you that how you can set up the Google Play Store, and there we are going to upload that. If any problem come in the Google Play Store, we are going to solve that. I'm going to show you that how you can fix, and I'm also trying to show you with the current latest updated SDK. Okay, so thank you so much, and see you in next video.